This is how to epoch your data. So what we are going to do is tools, extract epochs, and then this in this box here, this time locking event types, if you only want to extract epochs for certain event types, for example, if you only want to do angry, or if you wanted to do angry and angry faces, but that's it, you just would type the stimuli type here. So if you want to do just angry, we would just type that. If you wanted to do angry and angry faces, we would just type the stimuli codes with spaces in between. But if we want to extract all of the epochs, which is what we want to do here, just leave it totally blank. And then this is where you set the epoch start and end, and so it'll be in seconds. And so right now it's set to start, the epoch will start 1 second before the stimuli and then ends 2 seconds afterwards. But we're going to do 0.25 seconds before the stimuli and then just a space in between. So this should be the negative to indicate it's before the stimulus, space, and then we'll do 1.5 seconds afterwards. And then you can rename the data set, so it'll just automatically add an epochs onto the end of your previous title, and then click OK. And you can, and then it'll again open a new data set in EEG Lab, and you can call it whatever you want, or you could save it as a file. We'll just leave it how it is and click OK. And then it'll automatically pop up if you want to do baseline removal. And we'll just go ahead and do baseline removal. So this is, you just have the, so now this is in milliseconds, which is a little bit confusing, but so we wanted to go from 250 milliseconds to 0, which is our baseline. And for more information on baseline removal, you can watch the baseline video. And then we're going to click OK. And now it's going to open up another data set with the baselines removed. So we can say baseline removed and go ahead. And that's it. And so now when we plot our data, so if we do plot channel data scroll, we see that instead of having one giant continuous one continuous data set, we have just the epochs here. So here's an A epoch, and we can see it's going from 250 milliseconds before the stimuli to this is 150 milliseconds afterwards, and then right next to it is the AI stimuli, and you can see that there's 250 milliseconds before here and 1.5 seconds afterwards. So if you want to see that a little bigger, so if we just wanted to look at one epoch at a time, then we see negative 250 to 1500.